Hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
Today on this Saturday's episode, we're talking about Starbucks and their coffee liqueur.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, tell us a little bit about this.
I don't know anything about Starbucks.
Me neither.
Starbucks Coffee Liqueur. Isn't this cool? Looks like a little, shaker looking deal for your coffee. So back in 2005, Starbucks said, hey, let's get in the liquor market. And in fact, they used to serve beer and wine at their stores. They don't anymore. So what this is, they actually made a cream version as well, which I have a bottle of it somewhere, and I don't know where it is tomorrow. It doesn't matter. It's delicious. But this is the standard coffee version. This is 20% Starbucks coffee mixed with some other spirits, aka rum, because it's coffee. Basically, they wanted to get in the market and they wanted to compete against Kahlua. Well, this was discontinued in 2010. So guess who won? Kahlua. So they actually at one point did get up to 11% market share. They just decided it just wasn't worth it, apparently. So they got, which is too bad, because actually the cream one was, I've been through a couple bottles of cream, and then this one is pretty good. So this bottle is, I think this bottle is probably from about 2008. This is another older one. As you can see, you know what it smells like? Coffee and espresso.
Espresso beans.
It smells really good.
It smells like beans, like
Really? Oh my gosh, yeah, like at
brown.
Going by Kroger down the aisle of the bean thing, grinder thing. It really does. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like overly sugary like most of them do.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
This actually has a pleasant nose to me.
Fresh ground coffee is like one of my favorite smells ever.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm gonna have to agree with that.
we don't,
delicious.
unfortunately, we don't grind our own coffee here at the house. But when we open that new container of that Folgers Black Silk, man, my nose is in it, like for at least 2 days, until it wears off.
I do agree. Coffee scent is amazing. Coffee is amazing.
Love this
coffee
smell.
Good. All right, the noses is not much more than that, but it smells great.
It's coffee.
It doesn't smell like it's going to be ridiculously sweet, which makes me.
It doesn't.
I get coffee, and I do get some rum. There is a sweetness there, but again,
It is sweeter.
Great to use instead of sweetener in your coffee.
Yeah, as
It's
an
not
additive.
super sweet compared to a lot of the liqueurs.
No, I
It's
do
a
get
little
some of that bitter.
It is that coffee bitterness is there. There really is the coffee bitterness, the espresso, a little bit of vanilla.
That's what I'd go with, Matt, is the espresso bitterness.
Espresso bitter.
Yeah.
It's good. I like it.
Yeah, I would, surprisingly enough, this might be good with a lemon accent.
Oh, yeah.
I like espresso with a twist of lemon, and my mind immediately went to some sort of citrus after tasting this.
This is pretty good. So if you can find a bottle, it's been 10 years since they made it, but if you do find one, awesome. Hey, there are plenty of dusty stores. I have found stuff that's sat on the shelf for 20 years. It is not a problem. Especially liqueurs. Oh my gosh, you can find liqueurs that are way cool.
I don't know. I think
the cream-based one, that was also delicious. I think at that time they were like $30. They weren't expensive. And hell, it came with this big giant Starbucks mug in a Christmas set. It was delicious. So I mean, it was really good because, like I said, the cream one was actually when I got at Christmas, like in 2006. Something like that. But yeah, these are old school. But yeah, I think if you guys have noticed, lots of my liqueurs are quite old. But the good news is they don't go bad unless they're cream based and they've been opened. If they're not opened, they're fine. They'll be fine pretty much forever. Unless they're cheap crap like Amara, which you throw away anyway because it's garbage. When they turn to pudding, it's a problem.
All right.
Well,
this is actually pretty good.
This
I
one's
like
good.
this.
I like this
And
one.
once we get through the back catalog of Matt's liqueurs, I'm sure we'll get into the new ones that have come out.
Pretty
That's
sure
funny.
that's how it's going to work. Yeah.
4 years from now. Yes.
That's minimum. 4 years minimum.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
Keep on crusading. Better liquids in your glass.
cheers. I actually like this one.
Yep. You're going to have that
Pretty
coffee eventually.
Possibly.
Yeah. Starbucks what?
Coffee liqueur.
Starbucks Coffee Liqueur.
Heard. 3, 2. Today on this Saturday's episode, we're talking about Starbucks and their
Coffee liqueur.